Welcome to the very first Welcome to the very first Nader Navigator YouTube channel weather forecast. This channel will be primarily focused on Texas and directly surrounding areas. So if you live in Texas or nearby, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So we're going to be doing our best to upload every time something serious appears to be coming through. In this very first forecast video, we're going to be talking about the incoming polar plunge that's going to take over Texas for a couple days this week. With this system, guys, we're going to be looking at the coldest temperatures we haven't just seen this year, but potentially the coldest temperatures we've seen in the last 12 months. We're also going to be looking at if there's any possibility for snow and ice with this system, but before we get to that, let's talk about how cold it's going to get. So we have our ensemble model pulled up here. This is a combination of all the latest weather models, and it gives us the best idea at this time of what we're looking at. So Monday, February 17th, we're looking at still kind of warmish temperatures, but as we go deeper into the week, Tuesday, February 18th, you can see that cold air beginning to plunge south. By Wednesday, we're going to start feeling it, and it's going to get cold. DFW, we're looking at potential temperatures of 26 degrees. Central Texas, 31 degrees. Panhandle of Texas, 18 degrees. And West Texas, near Lubbock and Abilene, and Midland, anywhere from 21 to 26 degrees. But days get even more interesting when we start looking at wind chill values. As you can see, near the Red River, we're in the negatives. We're at -6. Panhandle, -3. Down near Houston, we're hovering in the 20s. And Central Texas, anywhere from 10 to 0 degrees in wind chill. But as we go further into Wednesday, you can actually see this cold air come even further south. And we're looking at 4 degrees wind chill factor in DFW, 9 degrees wind chilled in Midland, 20 degrees in San Antonio. Pretty much the entire state of Texas is going to feel under freezing when it comes to wind chill. And it looks like for the most part, this cold air is going to stay around from Tuesday until at least Friday morning. All right, now the magical question. Is it going to snow? Is there going to be ice? I'm glad you asked. Let's take a look. This is what the radar could look like for Tuesday, February 18th, right as this cold weather event is getting started. As we can see, we're looking at snow and an ice mix all over Oklahoma, and we can actually see a stream of Gulf of Mexico moisture coming up into Texas and meeting that system in the north. As of right now, with the current data we're looking at, it appears that Texas probably won't get much ice or wintry mix. For sure, we'll get some rain, but the ice and snow as of right now looks like it's on the lower side of the chance. Who even says that, bro? Lower side of the chance. Switching back to our temperature model here, it's going to get really cold Tuesday, even colder Wednesday, possibly even colder Thursday, but then we finally begin to warm up on Friday. And by the weekend, all the way into Sunday, we're going to be touching 70-degree weather, which if you live in Texas, you know how it goes. It's crazy to be at 0-degree wind chill one day, and then literally 3 days later, 4 days later, we're looking at 70 degrees. Looking even further into the future, it looks like for the most part, we're going to be entering a warmer pattern here in Texas, which is a good thing. But around February 28th to March 1st, it appears that we have another system brewing. Now, this is, as of filming this video, this is over 2 weeks away from now, so don't put too much confidence in this, but it is March, guys. We are going into March at this point, 2 weeks from now, and it's pretty much guaranteed that we're going to have some serious storm systems coming through. So we'll talk about that in a future upload. Don't want to talk about this too much just yet because it may not even happen. But it being March, like I said, it's probably going to happen. That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you guys want to hear any more weather stuff, drop a comment below. This might get 5 views, but that's okay. As long as you're the 6th viewer, it's all that counts.